chugur gosht ka salan. Take half kg of chugur or fresh tamarind leaves. Remove hard stem from chugur or tamarind fresh leaves. Heat pressure cooker and add 2 to 3 sliced onion. Add 400 grams of mutton. Add 1 tsp of ginger garlic paste. Add half tsp of turmeric and red chili powder. Add salt as per taste. Add 2 to 3 tsps of oil and mix. Add 1 cup of water and mix. Close lid and wait for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, open lid. Turn on flame and roast it nicely. Add 2 to 3 slitted green chilies. Wash chugur nicely, and at this point add washed chugur. Mix it nicely. Add 1 cup of water and mix. Close lid and wait for 2 whistles. Re-on lid. Mix and cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Cook till oil starts separating. Some chopped coriander leaves. Give a mix and turn off flame. Chugur ka salan is done. Tasty and delicious summer special, chugur gosht ka salan is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.